All right, so our next topic is applications of game theory. It has been a question that has been asked twice in your PYQs. So yeah. Anyway, meaning of game theory in real world context. Okay, so you would definitely want to start with that and not jump right into applications. That is completely fine even if you do, but writing the definition once gives the answer proper structure. Okay, so if you are interested in writing it, what does it mean? Game theory helps us understand how people or organizations make decisions when they must consider other people's actions too. Okay, so basically your result is going to depend on what you do and what others do, right? So for example, if two shops decide prices, अगर एक ने अपनी प्राइस कम किया तो दूसरा भी कम करेगा, right? तो दोनों के profits इसमें affect होंगे. So basically game theory over here is going to help us predict such outcomes. ठीक है? Now where is game theory used? Okay, now game theory is used in a lot of places where business and economics, okay, politics and international relations, in treaties, voting, war decisions में. It is used in labor and trade negotiations. How? In salary bargaining and deals. It is used in auctions and market designing. How? By online ads and spectrum sales. It is used in artificial intelligence. How? By multi-agent systems and cyber defense. Okay, it helps people choose their best strategy in real life conflicts or cooperation situations. Okay. Now coming into discussing the applications in depth. The first application that we have is economics and business. Okay, how companies must think strategically. मैं कितना produce, how much can I produce, ठीक है, कितना profit produce, कितना what do you call it, जो भी वो लोग का item रहेगा वो कितना produce हो सकता है, ठीक है, what price to set for that produce, right? So when to launch a product, ठीक है, companies, they all have to think strategically about these factors, including a lot of others. Then each company predicts what competitors might do. Okay, this is also what they have to think about. So game theory helps them make the smartest move in terms of what they can do and in terms of what other people can do. Okay, so basically an example would be Coca-Cola and Pepsi. If Pepsi cuts prices, then Coca-Cola must also respond, right? Then otherwise Pepsi will gain more customers. ठीक है, जाके तुम देखोगे जो सस्ता है वो उठाओगे, right? Then this is studied using models like the Cornell competition. Why? To find the Nash equilibrium, where a stable situation will be found where no one benefits by changing their decision alone. Okay, this is a classic example of Nash equilibrium definition. Classic definition of Nash equilibrium. Okay, every time Nash equilibrium is mentioned, somewhere or the other place, उसका ये definition mention होता ही है. Now, what is the next application that we have? The next application that we have is politics and international relations, where countries also behave strategically in forming alliances, in signing peace treaties, and choosing defense budgets. Okay, इसका example क्या हुआ? Example would be the Cold War arms race, where in US and USSR they had two options. Whether if they cooperate, then they need fewer weapons and they'll be safe. But if they defect, there'll obviously be more war, and इसके वजह से they will need more weapons, and the world will become an unsafe place, right? But neither trusted the other, and they both kept building weapons. And just like the prisoner's dilemma, where fear pushes both to a worse outcome, right? Now, what is our third application? Our third application is negotiation and bargaining situations, where they are used in salary negotiations, business contracts, trade agreements. Okay, where players must negotiate how they should share a benefit. Okay, then game theory gives you an answer about what the fair deal might be, about how should offers be made, about when will the negotiation end. How is this achievable using models like Nash bargaining solutions, which help divide the benefits fairly and efficiently. Okay. Now we have a next application, which is auctions and market design, where it is used in Google Ads bidding, online product auctions like eBay, and government selling telecom spectrums, where the goal is to make people bid truthfully and to get the highest total benefit. This is called mechanism design, another concept that has been widely asked in your paper, where designing rules, you want to design rules that lead to an outcome for a beneficial outcome for everyone. The next application is data science, AI, and cybersecurity, where multiple intelligence systems often interact, where self-driving cars and AI agents and defenders versus hackers in cybersecurity. Then there's GANs, where one model attacks, another defends. Okay, so game theory helps them how in learning strategies and adapting to situations and making smart decisions. Okay, so game theory is pretty important as you can see over here because it helps us predict outcomes, it helps us improve decisions, it helps us encourage cooperation, and it helps us avoid losses. Okay, it helps people think strategically, not emotionally. So, if you think about it in one line, game theory is a powerful tool to make smarter decisions in situations that involve competition, negotiation, or cooperation between rational players. Okay, so that is what the applications of game theory was. If you like the video, do like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.